Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is one flea the sign of an infestation? This is a question that we get a lot because flea control can seem intimidating. For the simple answer to this question, yes, you will want to consider one flea the sign of an infestation. Fleas reproduce rapidly, and a flea problem can get out of control very quickly. Consider this: a flea can live on your pet for up to 2 months, and in that time, they'll lay 40 to 50 eggs per day. So usually, a female flea will lay hundreds up to thousands of eggs in her lifetime. So in just under 2 months, you'll have thousands of fleas. Typically, when you see one flea, there can at least be 100 others living in your carpet, furniture, or pet bedding. You're going to want to treat hard and treat fast. And if not, maybe you can start your own flea circus. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Consider this: a single flea. Oh, lonely old single fleas, you poor single fleas.